tech11 is a digital P&C core insurance platform provider. With their solution, they strive to solve a challenge that many incumbent insurers face: legacy backend systems which prevent insurers to react to rapidly changing client behavior and expectations. Core insurance systems are key for any digital transformation, influencing the performance and future viability of every insurer. tech11 provides an end-to-end platform, flexible in adapting to individual processes, reducing time to market on a no-code, low-code level. Today, they will show and tell a full legacy replacement program they did together with insurer GVO. Next on stage, tech11 with GVO.
Good morning, Munich. Welcome, dear community. My name is Pierre, and I'm co-founder and managing director at tech11. And with me on stage today is Linda.
Hi, everyone. I am Linda, and I'm the CTO of the German-based insurance company GVO.
Linda, happy to be on stage with you today.
Thank you, Pierre.
A few months ago, I've already been here on stage, but at DIA Amsterdam, presenting together with our client Ergo, how we run different digital speedboats in Germany, Italy, or Spain, providing an end-to-end core insurance platform to manage insurance policies on an international scale. Such systems, we can bring them into production just in weeks, in any language and in any country. But today, I'm here on stage with Linda, CTO of a traditional German insurance company, where we are not talking about digital speedboats. We are talking about a full legacy replacement of a COBOL mainframe from the 1980s. This means we are talking about all lines of P&C products, all kinds of distribution channels, multiple integrations, and of course, migration. I'm very proud that today we run in production and we help GVO to transform into the digital era. When I talked to Reggie about coming back here at stage in Munich, I suggested him to showcase something different with Linda today. Maybe this is not this quick, appealing international use case and maybe less sexy, but true legacy replacement is an urgent, complex, and very expensive topic for many insurers. And this reflects, from my point of view, also the development of maturity of a former startup tech11 into a reliable core insurance provider. We have been at DIA the first time in 2019, and at that time we were less than 10 people. Nowadays, we have 80 people at tech11. We are working out of 8 countries, and we are a profitable company backed by a global PE. This means we can guarantee any client that tech11's products and services will be provided the next 10 years and more. So Linda will now make a demo and show how they are using our system today after a 3 years journey of modernization. Linda.
Thank you, Pierre, for the introduction. As you just explained, we want to show you today how the GVO uses the tech11 insurance platform. Since the platform has multiple modules and functionalities, I could show you so many things today, but I will focus on the management of automated and manual processes, which are very important for us. So let's start the demo. This is a start screen of the platform. When you sign in, the first thing you see is like the well-known Google search engine. Please do not wonder, our users are mainly German, therefore the system is also used in German. You can search for any kind of data, for example, policy number and partner number, and so on. So when a customer calls you, you can also enter his name and directly jump to the 360 customer view. But for our clerks, the most important thing in the morning is the task list. It is one of the buttons of the landing page, as you can see. The task list contains an overview of all open tasks. Of course, we want the platform to have the highest grade of automation, but some things still need to be seen by a real person. And this is what ends in the task list. You have a lot of options to filter in the list. You can filter for product types. and you can filter for task types. So the clerks have an easy way to organize the work that needs to be done. To get a feeling of how the tech11 platform works, I would like to show you a simple application. A customer uses our website to get a quote. He types in all his data and submits his request. Then our background process starts. Everything that can be done in the platform comes down to a process that we designed within the tech11 BPMN solution, which is Camunda. Camunda is very central in adopting existing standard processes to our individual needs. I'm a big fan of Camunda and how the platform inherited it. It gives us the possibility of full transparency. We can see at any time what is happening in the system. Here you see the process dashboard and the list of processes running on production right now. So let's get back to our example of an application coming from a customer on our website. In this process, we defined what must happen in the different cases. This is defined in a so-called DMN table. Here you see an example of our application approval strategy, which is part of the process. There we define which input brings which output. For example, more than 230 square meters will be disqualified for a manual check. A bad solvency will always lead to a denial. This happens fully automatically. Then the clerk goes into the task list and can check his specific application. The task is enriched with all the information that he needs. He can look at the customer data. He can look at the agent data. It's all linked to the task. And then he can either accept or deny the task. What do you want to do? Accept or deny? Accept. Okay. Either way, the process goes on fully automatically. This was just a quick view in some of the payoffs the platform has. I could show you so much more, but I think time is too short. So I hope you got a first good glance, and I'm handing back to Pierre. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Linda. I think you picked a very interesting topic because the management and the orchestration of processes and distribution channels is key for any insurer. While other functions of a core insurance platform nowadays should be commodity. So, Linda, thank you very much for taking the time being on stage with us today, even if it was very short. Dear audience, if you want to deep dive on that topic, if you're interested, please reach out to me directly, to one of my colleagues around. Join us at our booth. That was tech11. Thank you very much for your attention.